This microfiber towel, it's been a lifesaver for my hair. Like especially when I need to wash my hair in the shower and also have my bath at the same time. So after washing my hair, I just wrap my hair in this, so that it's out of my face and body, and then secure it this way so it doesn't move. Just so it's all done, and then have my bath. And then when I'm out, sometimes I just leave it in until the hair dries. Yeah, it's a good way to dry your hair. And if you need to sleep immediately, you can just sleep. I've slept in this a couple of times. Like I just wrap my head in it and then sleep off, and the next day I comb it. But the combing the next day is usually stressful because you need to detangle. So sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. As for today, I'm going to make the hair, so that's why I just took it out and I will allow it to air dry while I head to the salon. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yo, this week has been Diwali holiday. Happy Diwali because we're still enjoying the holiday. Today is Friday. So throughout this week we didn't go to school. So we've been home. I've been enjoying the holiday, resting a lot because once we resume, it's going to be back-to-back classes. We'll have our second assessment and then we prepare for exams, final semester exams. So it's going to be back to back to back to back. So, yo, it's well. So, yeah, and the weather has changed, guys. We're still in October and the weather has switched up. Like, it's no longer the heat season. Even though sun shines, some days it's sunny, but it's not hot like during summer. No, it's not. The breeze is different, that kind of vibe we have back home in Nigeria. Yes, that's what we're dealing with now, and it just means that winter is almost here. Again, am I prepared? Nah, I'm not. Because this winter showed me Shaggy Pro Max last year up until early this year. I'm not looking forward to it, but what can we do? Oh, Israel will be fine. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, okay? Yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go. I'm just going to leave the hair like this while it dries. It's almost dried though. That's the thing with natural hair. It's almost dried. Yeah. When I get there, she'll do a little bit of trimming for me. Yeah, there's some parts that require some trimming. Man, look at my curly hair. My dada gave it to me. Yo, I have this kind of curly hair. It runs in the family, yeah. It's in the family, so. I mean, I could easily do a wash and go and just go out like this. So let's go and look for what to do to this hair. Okay? This is so fine. My camera is not doing justice. Corn in India. Wow. Kidna?
100. Okay, 100. So 100. आप में नींबू लगाना है ना? बेलों का बेले, बेलों का बेले। Indian gates. Yeah. Yeah, that's the gate. What's it say?